best go through that next one.
This is Gaealady going underneath the bridge. Usually we turn the motor on to sail underneath bridges, but this is like the third one she's done today. Fearless as fudge.
It's easy when the wind's from behind you, because the bridge won't block it.
That's a very good point.
But when the wind's coming from there, you get a wind shadow going on there.
Whew. And it's so busy on the waterway today. That crate, there's a huge catamaran, motor cat up there that just came and waked us right before, like took us right before waking the whole bridge. But it's a beautiful day on the water. Wow.